What you say?
Shut up, shut up, shut the fuck up. Let's just run. We gotta run somewhere.
Let's go, bro.
Hey guys, we ran out of school. With John, Bella, Ava, and me.
Got the bag.
I'm scared.
Literally, we have a couple minutes. It's okay until school ends. We just have to stay over here until.
Is that a teacher?
Hear someone say, "Hey,
Is that a teacher?
we're gonna run."
Look, I'm leaving my bag.
Is that a teacher?
I don't know. I think that's
Wait,
like one of the preschool teachers.
Hold on, let me put these on.
Oh,
Yeah,
hell
put
no.
your Crocs in sports mode if you got Crocs on like these. We can be.
Hell no, dog. We're gonna get jabbed.
Shut up.
We're gonna get
Stop
jabbed.
talking. That's a tennis racket.
She won't stop playing tennis. Hold on.
Eva, get from this way. They're gonna see you.
I thought it was a stop sign. Hey guys, you want to play tennis?
It's
Breathing
Alright, this is not a good idea, bro.
Ooh, a tennis ball.
Can we play?
Bro's like, can we play?
I found one.
Shut up.
Bro.
What about, oh, you stupid. We gotta play tennis ball. Play ball. Give me that.
Okay, what time is it?
Pass it, pass it, pass it, pass it. I'm so good. It's 4:17. Can you see that?
Maybe we should just start walking.
We need to leave at 4:18.